Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. This is Kajal from Good Life and Learning. Today we will learn how you can speed up your work while doing data entry job. Earlier you used to type the data in this worksheet. Suppose we are having a table of an office where you need to keep the record of employees, having employee ID, employee name and address. If the list is short, you can easily do that. But what if the data is huge and you want to do your data entry work in a faster way? And this is a very mind-boggling process if you do it in this way. So we have a very smart option in Microsoft Excel where you can type the data entry work with the form option. Let's see how you can do it. First of all, just select the cell where you want to type the data. Then go to the Quick Access toolbar. Here it is. This is the very first tab. Just click on it. This is Customize Quick Access toolbar and go to More Commands. Then you'll be able to see Quick Access toolbar highlighted in yellow color. Go to All Commands rather than Popular Commands of the drop-down list. Select All Commands from the drop-down list. Then find the Form option carefully. Once you find it, you just need to add it on the right side of your window. See, we have got the option form. Just add it. Now press OK. You will be able to see the form option appeared in your Quick Access toolbar. Just click on it and OK. You will be able to see a form-like option where you can enter the data in a faster way. Some people find it more interesting and find the faster way to do the data entry job. I hope this one works for you the same. Like we need to type the employee ID 1, press tab. Now type, press tab, enter. Tab, enter. Address, enter. Enter. See, if we close it, you can clearly see that our data is entered perfectly. So you can do it in a bit faster way by doing this using form option. So that's all for this video. See you soon in our next video. Thank you for watching.